Welcome back, Knotty Nation. It's your boy Bronson. Today I'm going to show you Galaxy Granite. Very easy to pour, very elegant. Your clients are going to love it. This is a real money maker.
The Knotty Artisan.
All right, for today's pour, I'm pouring some sample boards new for our showroom. Our sample boards we use are 2x2, so 2 foot by 2 foot. So that's 4 square feet. Makes it really, really beautiful. It's big enough for clients to hold looking around. 3 ounces per square foot. We want at least 12 ounces on this. For this technique, we're going to be using 2 different glitters, a fine glitter and then an automotive paint glitter that they use when they're painting cars. It's a little bit thicker. You're going to see how the effect works out. I'll put the links to both below in the description. Starting off, I'm going to grab my resin. I've got my super gloss here. I'm going to pour up, this is 12 ounces, so I'm going to pour just a little bit more. We'll do 14. So 7 ounces on my B. Oh, I went to 8. Got a little excited with the pour. I guess we're doing 16. And then we'll do another 8 ounces here. You can see why we do the A second. It's nice and thick. We want it to flow into here. It's going to take just a second. Boom, there we go. There's my 16 ounces. So for this technique, we start with a black surface. That's all this painted black, whatever color you got. The darker, the better. I found, this is just a black acrylic paint that I used on this. There's a black that you can get from the big box stores called Limousine Black. It's super black as well. You'll like that. So surprisingly, you're gonna use very, very little. So this is an ultra fine glitter. If you're gonna use a glitter when you're in your epoxies, go for fine or ultra fine. That way you won't get like little chunks in yours. Now if you see here, I've got just the tiniest bit of fine glitter on the end of this stick here. Just like that. All right, next we're checking to the automotive glitter. The reason I use the automotive glitter and the fine glitter, the automotive is a little darker and deeper. It's a little bit bigger than the fine glitter, so when I put the 2 in, it's going to add some variation too. Once again, very, very little, just a little as bit, just right there. That might even be a little much. So just right there. All right, that's going to go right into our mix right there. That's it. We're almost done with this effect. It is super easy. While I mix this up, I'll tell you that we do use this quite a bit. I work for a lot of home flippers. Guys, buy this house, fix it up, and then put it in. And a lot of times there's just two techniques that I use. This being one, and then a marble technique being the other. If they've got dark cabinets, we go with the marble. If they've got light cabinets, we go with this technique here. And you'll see it's really, really beautiful. Let me get this mixed up real quick and spread out, and you'll see how easy this is to do. This is one of those ones I don't bring clients in because I don't want them to see how easy it is to do this. It's just crazy. Okay, remember when you're mixing to get the sides and the bottom as you go. I've been mixing this for a couple minutes now, so that's about as long as I'm gonna go. I don't know if you can see the glitter yet. Probably not, but when we put on this black board, it is going to pop. So let me get this here. I'm gonna just pour this out. I like to make myself a little square. Put that there in the middle. All right, got our resin out here. Just gonna use my hands on this and just spread it around. I don't like to use a trowel with this technique because it'll leave little lines. It lines up the glitter. It's kind of funny. But I don't want any of this. I want this to be very, very natural, like it would occur in nature. If you look up Galaxy Granite, this is a real granite. It's real expensive, but we can replicate it like a champ. So check this out. Just spread it all around. Tap out any surface tension. I'm gonna give this a minute so that any air that got encapsulated while I was mixing it up has a chance to rise up in my resin before I give it a quick torch. All right, it's been a couple minutes now, so I'm gonna get the old handy dandy torch out. Once again, my favorite thing about super gloss, one pass for glass. So when you're using your torch, we're gonna get it going. I wanna make contact with my resin, but I want to keep a slow and steady pace. I still want to keep it moving, methodically going back and forth till I cover every square inch. And it's real soothing. This is some good ASMR to watch the bubbles pop. So here we go. And just like that, you've got Galaxy Granite. Simple, elegant, easy. Try it out at home. I bet you like it too. All right, everybody, if you found value in this content, we don't ask you for money, but what we do ask for currency is likes, subscribes, and ring the bell. And if you do that, you'll see some more stuff like this, and I hope to see you soon.